The world of cryptocurrency is rapidly changing. New players are emerging, each with its own vision for the future of finance. One such player is Pi Network. Pi Network aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. But will businesses embrace it? Will Pi Network take over businesses by 2025? Let's explore this intriguing question. As of early 2025, Pi Network is still in its early stages. Despite being a few years into its development, it remains a project with a lot of potential and many eyes watching its progress closely. It is in the enclosed mainnet phase. This phase is crucial for the network, as it allows the developers to test and refine the system without external pressures. This means the network is not fully open to the public yet. Only selected users and developers have access, ensuring that any issues can be addressed before a wider release. The official launch of the open mainnet is highly anticipated. Enthusiasts and investors alike are eagerly waiting for this milestone, which promises to bring Pi Network into the mainstream. However, the exact date remains unknown. The developers are taking their time to ensure everything is perfect before making the network available to everyone. Despite being in the enclosed mainnet phase, Pi Network is making strides. The team is continuously working on improvements and new features to enhance the user experience. It held its first Open Network Pi Fest. This event was a significant milestone, bringing together developers, users and potential business partners to discuss the future of Pi Network. This event aimed to showcase Pi's real-world utility. Various demonstrations highlighted how Pi could be used in everyday transactions, from buying coffee to paying for services. It also sought to attract merchants to the platform. By showing the practical applications of Pi, the event aimed to convince businesses of its value and potential. While the number of businesses currently accepting Pi is unclear, the interest is growing. More and more merchants are exploring the possibilities of integrating Pi into their payment systems. The network is actively preparing for broader adoption. The team is working on partnerships and collaborations to ensure a smooth transition when the open mainnet is finally launched. The future looks promising for Pi Network as it continues to build a robust and user-friendly platform. Even in its early phase, some businesses are already accepting Pi Network's cryptocurrency. These early adopters are primarily small businesses and individuals. They are attracted to Pi's growing user base and its vision of decentralized finance. Some examples of businesses accepting Pi include online stores selling electronics, clothing and accessories. Freelancers are also accepting Pi as payment for their services. These early use cases demonstrate the potential of Pi Network to facilitate transactions in diverse sectors. Pi Network is actively taking steps to encourage businesses to join its ecosystem. One crucial step is the implementation of the Know Your Business, or KYB program. KYB aims to verify and onboard businesses. This program ensures transparency and security for users transacting with businesses on the network. Another initiative is the launch of .pi domains. These specialized web addresses allow businesses to establish a Pi-centric online presence. This move is designed to create a distinct online space for businesses operating within the Pi Network ecosystem. Section 5. Merchant interest and partnerships, signs of growth. The recent Open Network Pi Fest generated significant interest from merchants. Thousands of businesses registered on the Pi platform during the event. This surge in interest indicates growing recognition of Pi's potential as a payment method. Pi Network is also forming strategic partnerships. These partnerships are with payment processors and other key players in the financial technology sector. These collaborations will be crucial in integrating Pi into existing payment systems. This will make it easier for businesses to adopt Pi. Section 6. Trust and volatility, addressing the concerns. Despite its efforts, Pi Network faces challenges in gaining widespread business adoption. One major concern is trust. Pi is a relatively new cryptocurrency. It lacks the established track record of Bitcoin or Ethereum. This makes some businesses hesitant to put their faith in its long-term value. Another concern is volatility. Like all cryptocurrencies, Pi's value can fluctuate. This volatility can make it difficult for businesses to manage their finances. Businesses need stable currencies for planning and operations. Section 7. Navigating the global regulatory landscape. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving. This poses a challenge for Pi Network's global adoption. Different countries have different regulations. Some are more welcoming to cryptocurrencies than others. Pi Network needs to navigate these regulations carefully. It must ensure compliance in every country it operates in. This complexity adds another layer of difficulty to Pi's quest for widespread business acceptance. Section 8. Predicting Pi's business adoption in 2025. Predicting the exact number of businesses that will adopt Pi Network by the end of 2025 is difficult. However, we can analyze the trends and factors that might influence this adoption. Businesses today are increasingly looking for innovative solutions to streamline operations and reduce costs. Pi Network, with its decentralized nature and low transaction fees, presents a compelling case for many enterprises. Several factors will determine its success. These include the technological advancements within the Pi ecosystem, the ease of integration with existing business systems, and the overall market acceptance of cryptocurrencies. Companies will be closely watching how Pi Network evolves and whether it can deliver on its promises. The timely launch of the open Mainnet is crucial. This will provide the necessary infrastructure for businesses to start using Pi Network in real-world applications. Developers are working tirelessly to ensure that the network is secure, scalable, and efficient. The stability of Pi's value will also play a significant role. Businesses need a reliable currency to conduct transactions, and any significant volatility could deter adoption. Financial analysts are keeping a close eye on market trends to predict how Pi's value might stabilize over time. So will the successful integration of Pi into existing payment systems. If businesses can easily incorporate Pi into their current payment processes, it will significantly boost adoption rates. This includes compatibility with mobile payment systems, online transactions, and even point-of-sale systems in physical stores. If Pi Network can address the concerns of trust and volatility while navigating regulations effectively, it has the potential to gain significant traction in the business world. Regulatory compliance is a major hurdle for any cryptocurrency, and Pi Network will need to work closely with legal experts to ensure it meets all necessary requirements. The growing user base and active community support provide a solid foundation for future growth. The more people use and trust Pi Network, the more attractive it becomes to businesses. Community engagement, developer support, and continuous innovation will be key drivers in Pi's journey towards widespread business adoption by 2025. Section 9. Conclusion. The future of Pi in the business world. The question of whether Pi Network will take over businesses by 2025 remains open. As we look ahead, the potential for Pi Network to revolutionize the business landscape is both exciting and daunting. Businesses are constantly seeking innovative solutions to streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance customer experiences. Pi Network, with its decentralized nature and user-friendly approach, offers a unique proposition that could address many of these needs. The answer is far from certain. While some experts are optimistic about Pi Network's potential, others remain skeptical, citing challenges such as regulatory hurdles, market adoption, and technological scalability. The business world is notoriously unpredictable, and the success of any new technology depends on a myriad of factors, including timing, market readiness, and the ability to adapt to changing conditions. However, Pi Network is undoubtedly a player to watch in the evolving landscape of digital currencies. Its growing community of users and developers is a testament to its potential. The network's focus on accessibility and inclusivity sets it apart from many other cryptocurrencies, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to engage with a broader audience. Its efforts to engage businesses, build trust, and overcome challenges will shape its future. By fostering partnerships with established companies and continuously improving its technology, Pi Network aims to build a robust ecosystem that supports a wide range of business activities. Trust is a crucial factor in the adoption of any new technology, and Pi Network's transparent and community-driven approach is designed to build that trust. Whether Pi becomes the dominant force in business transactions or finds its niche within specific sectors, its journey will be fascinating to observe. The adaptability of PI Network allows it to cater to various industries, from retail and e-commerce to technology startups and financial services. Each sector presents unique opportunities and challenges, and PI Network's ability to navigate these will determine its long-term success. Only time will tell the true impact of PI Network on the business world. As we move forward, it will be essential to monitor how PI Network evolves and adapts to the ever-changing business environment. The next few years will be critical in determining whether PI Network can fulfill its promise and become a significant player in the global business landscape.